Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you what is value ladder and how does value ladder going to help your business get more profit and get more sales. Hey, this is Kamin Choo here. I help business owner and entrepreneur like you build a lead generation system that generates unlimited leads and sales into your business. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any important video like this. Okay, so when it comes to value ladder, right? What is value ladder? Okay, so I covered this in my 3 years ago video about value ladder, right? But 3 years ago, the value ladder, most of the businesses are changing over the past 3 years, and I felt that right now, if you're using the old method of value ladder, right, you are losing out a lot of opportunity. And right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you the latest, the newest value ladder strategy that helped my business grow a lot. Alright, so by the way, what is value ladder? Alright, so value ladder is something that you continue add value to your target customer while making more profit. The higher you climb up the ladder, the more profit you are going to make, but the more work that you are going to do to help your customer get results, right? So this is value ladder. Okay, so I will attach this image here so you can see this is value ladder, right? You can see at the beginning it starts from bed. Alright, so bed is where we used to attract customer. This is where we used to do hook, alright, to get more customer attention. Okay, and then later on we will move on to the second step. The second step is where we make small profit. So by the way, this small profit, right, sometimes we are not really going to make profit, we are just trying to break even. And then the mid ticket is where we make more profit coming in, and then the back end is where we make the most profit out of it. Alright, so this is value ladder. Okay, so value ladder can apply to different businesses. Okay, if you are running a chiropractor business, you are a beauty center business, you are like me, coaches, consultant or trainer, this works for you as well. Okay, so you can comment down below what are the industry that you are in, and I will share my point of view about that industry in the comment section. Alright, so right now let's talk about value ladder. Why is value ladder important for businesses? Okay, so value ladder is very important for businesses. It's because every customer come into your business, they have different budget, they have different expectation. So that's why you need to create different packages or different services for them. Okay, so what I want you to do, right, is most of the people, most of the guru out there, what they do is they teach you to create a value ladder from low ticket to high ticket, right? But this is the mistake. Okay, 3 years ago, 5 years ago, you did this, you can make a lot of sales, you can make a lot of profit. But nowadays we are living in a very competitive world. That's why what we need to do is we need to start from the back end first. We need to start from the highest package, the high ticket. Okay, so from there, and then what I want you to do, the next step is I want you to create the free or lead magnet. Okay, what I call a bait. So you only need these two if you're just getting started. If you already have these two and you have cash flow coming into your business, then you can create your low ticket and mid ticket to support your business. Okay, so for me, I always start with high ticket and free ticket. Okay, and then later on I will start working with my mid ticket, and after mid ticket I will start working on low ticket. Okay, I will share with you some example. So free ticket, it can be your YouTube video, it can be your lead magnet, your checklist, okay, your cheat sheet, or even your free 2-hour training, right? So this is where you want to get people to know you, right? Because every people, when the first time they meet you, they might don't know who you are. They want to try to test it out, something free from you first. Okay, but if you don't have something free, they might not want to try with you. Why do they need to take risks, okay, to work with you if they don't know who you are yet? That's why you need to offer something for free. So that's why they can try you out. Okay, if they get value from there, they would like to learn more from you. Okay, or they would like to get to know you more. So this is where you move into mid-ticket or low-ticket, right? So by the way, mid-ticket and low-ticket, I categorize them as something that they warm audience, right? They already get your free ticket, they already know who you are, and right now they want to know more, okay? So like my value ladder, usually what I do for low ticket and mid ticket is, for low ticket I will create a 3 days challenge around 100 bucks or even a 50 bucks type of training. So this one will be a short training or like a challenger, something like that, right? So what they do is they come to the challenges, they get value from me, and then they apply, they see small results, right? And then what I do is I ask them to, since you work with me, you come to this challenge, you get value, you already learn a lot, right? So why don't let's work at the highest level, okay? So by the way, for the low ticket, right, I'm not making profit, I'm just trying to break even. Even if I get a small profit, right, I treat that as a bonus, okay? This is not something that I'm really focusing on. But what I did is I'm focusing on my mid and higher ticket, right? So for mid ticket is where I start to make profit coming in, okay? So mid ticket can be my $1,000 to $3,000 type of training. So this training is where I spend the whole day with them and help them get results, right? A hands-on training or workshop, right? So this is where they do the work and I can validate, I can give them a consultation on the spot, right? So this type of training is around 500 bucks to 3,000 bucks, okay? Yeah, and then lastly is my back end. So back end is where I do coaching, consulting, or even done for you services, right? So this is where I try to eliminate as many tasks from their side as possible so they can speed up their results, okay? Basically what I did is a done for you service, okay? So this is how I do. For me, I offering for those who need my help to get results, right? What I do is I will ask them, if you want to work with me at the highest level, here's what I do. I will help you run advertising. I will help you create a lead generation system. What I do is I will help you do the follow-up. I will check your work and I will make sure everything is right. And then your job is very simple. Your job is to do the customer delivery and your job is to record the video. Give me as many resources as possible so I can help you get more results. So basically my highest package, right, is 95% done for you. They only need to produce 5% of their work, alright? So you can see how I structure my value ladder. So from free ticket is basically they need to learn themselves, they need to apply themselves. So there are a lot of try and error. So for my low or mid ticket, right, is where I can spend more time with them, I can see their work. So this one is basically like done with you. So they do the work, they share with me, then I give them feedback on the spot. And last and not least is my high ticket coaching and done for you services. This is where I handle a lot of work. They only need to handle 5% of their work. They need to show up because I cannot do my control to control them to do everything for me. So they only need to produce 5% of their work, right? So I cannot record the video of me and then change the face into their face and change their voice. No, I cannot do that. So they need to show up, they need to record the video, they need to produce, they need to give me resources that I need to help them to succeed, right? So this is how I structure my value ladder, right? So let me do a quick summary. So you need to start from the highest end first and then work all the way down, alright? So if 3 years ago, 5 years ago, you can start from the bottom to the top, right? If you are totally new, don't over confuse it. Maybe in the future, you can create your mid and low ticket. Right now, I want you to focus on your highest package and your free ticket, right? If you are a chiropractor, easy. You can focus on giving a free consultation plus your highest chiropractic package. That's it, alright? And then in the future, you can work in between, alright? So if you are a coaches, consultant, same thing. You can offer your highest coaching or consulting package. And then your free is where you put it your YouTube video or your checklist to help them get started, right? So this is how you do your value ladder, right? So if you found this video is helpful, what I want you to do is I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video like this. If you want to work with me in the future, I will put the link in the description box below. You can click on the link. Maybe we can have a conversation. I can find out more about your business. Maybe if we are good fit, let's do business together. Alright, so take care guys, and see you all in the next video.